Pentaho Online Training. Learn and improve your knowledge by experts with Proexcellency. Introduction to Pentaho. Understanding the Pentaho suite. In this section, participants will get an overview of the Pentaho suite, including its various components such as Pentaho Data Integration, PDI, Pentaho Business Analytics, PBA, and Pentaho Big Data Integration. They'll learn about the role each component plays in the overall business intelligence and data integration process. Pentaho features and capabilities. Participants will explore the extensive set of features that Pentaho offers, such as data extraction, transformation, and loading, ETL, interactive reporting, data visualization, and predictive analytics. They'll understand how these features empower businesses to make informed decisions based on data insights. Advantages of Pentaho in business analytics. This section will highlight the advantages of using Pentaho in the business analytics domain. From its open-source nature and flexibility to its ability to handle both traditional and big data sources, participants will gain insights into why Pentaho is a popular choice for data-driven organizations. Data integration with Pentaho. ETL, extract, transform, load, processes. Participants will delve into the core of Pentaho's data integration capabilities. They'll learn about the ETL process, which involves extracting data from various sources, transforming it to suit business needs, and loading it into target systems. They'll work with real-world datasets to understand different ETL scenarios. Configuring data sources and connections. This section will cover the configuration of data sources and connections within Pentaho data integration. Participants will gain hands-on experience connecting to different types of data stores, including relational databases, flat files, and cloud-based sources. Creating transformations and jobs. In this part, participants will master the art of building transformations and jobs using the Pentaho Visual Designer. They'll understand the concept of data flow and how to create reusable transformations and jobs for efficient data processing. Handling data cleansing and quality. Ensuring data quality is crucial in any buy initiative. This module will teach participants various data cleansing techniques in Pentaho, enabling them to maintain accurate and reliable data for analysis. Pentaho Business Analytics. Exploring Pentaho reporting. Participants will learn to create interactive reports using Pentaho Report Designer. They'll understand how to connect to data sources, design report layouts, add charts, tables, and apply filters to generate meaningful reports. Designing interactive dashboards. In this section, participants will explore Pentaho Dashboard Designer and create interactive dashboards that visualize key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics. They'll learn how to arrange components, design intuitive interfaces, and customize dashboards to cater to specific user needs. Data visualization techniques. Understanding data visualization principles is essential for effective data communication. This module will cover different visualization techniques, color schemes, and best practices to create compelling visual representations of data. Ad hoc analysis with Pentaho Analyzer. Participants will discover the power of ad hoc analysis with Pentaho Analyzer. They'll learn to build dynamic reports and perform on-the-fly data exploration, empowering business users to gain insights without extensive technical expertise. Pentaho Data Modeling. Understanding data modeling concepts. This section will introduce participants to data modeling fundamentals, including entity relationship diagrams, dimensional modeling, and the importance of a well-designed data model in BI. Designing data models for BI. Participants will work on designing data models that cater to business requirements. They'll explore different modeling techniques and understand how to choose the right approach for different scenarios. Implementing star and snowflake schemas. Star and snowflake schemas are popular in data warehousing. In this module, participants will implement these schemas in Pentaho to optimize data querying and reporting performance. Connecting to different data sources. Participants will learn to connect and integrate data from various sources into a unified data model, including databases, spreadsheets, APIs, and cloud-based repositories. Pentaho Big Data Integration. Integrating and processing big data. This module will introduce the concepts of big data and how Pentaho can efficiently handle large datasets. Participants will learn about data integration techniques with Hadoop, Spark, and other big data technologies. Utilizing Hadoop with Pentaho. Participants will gain hands-on experience in integrating Pentaho with Hadoop, using Hadoop transformations, and taking advantage of distributed computing capabilities. Scaling data for large datasets. Dealing with massive datasets requires effective scaling strategies. Participants will explore techniques to optimize performance and scalability when processing big data with Pentaho. Big Data Analytics with Pentaho. In this part, participants will discover how to perform advanced analytics on big data using Pentaho's tools, enabling them to gain valuable insights from vast amounts of information. Pentaho and Predictive Analytics. Introduction to Predictive Modeling. Participants will be introduced to predictive analytics concepts, machine learning algorithms, and the role of predictive modeling in making data-driven predictions. Integrating machine learning with Pentaho. This module will demonstrate how to integrate machine learning libraries and tools with Pentaho. Participants will apply predictive models to historical data and make predictions on new datasets. Applying predictive insights to business problems. Participants will learn how to leverage predictive insights to solve real-world business problems such as customer churn prediction, sales forecasting, and fraud detection. Best practices in Pentaho. Performance optimization techniques. In this section, participants will explore best practices for optimizing the performance of Pentaho transformations, jobs, and reports. They'll learn about caching, partitioning, and other strategies to boost processing speed. Security and access control. Security is critical in any BI solution. Participants will understand how to implement security measures in Pentaho, including authentication, authorization, and data encryption. Version control and collaboration. Effective version control and collaboration are essential for team-based BI projects. Participants will learn how to manage versioning and collaborate effectively within the Pentaho environment. Designing for scalability and maintainability. This module will cover design principles that ensure scalability and ease of maintenance for Pentaho solutions. Participants will learn to build robust architectures that can adapt to growing business needs. Real-world Pentaho projects. Practical case studies and use cases. Participants will explore real-world use cases of Pentaho in various industries, such as retail, healthcare, finance, and more. They'll gain insights into how different organizations utilize Pentaho to drive data-driven decisions. Implementing Pentaho in various industries. This section will focus on tailoring Pentaho solutions to industry-specific challenges. Participants will understand how to customize data integration, analytics, and reporting to meet industry requirements. Hands-on project work and exercises. Throughout this module, participants will work on hands-on projects to apply the concepts they have learned in practical scenarios. They'll be guided by instructors and mentors to gain proficiency in using Pentaho for real-world applications. Pentaho administration and deployment. Setting up Pentaho server. Participants will learn how to install and configure the Pentaho server, including the buy server, the server, and security settings. They'll understand the requirements for different deployment options. Managing users and security. This section will cover user management, role-based access control, and permissions within the Pentaho environment. Participants will learn how to control access to reports, dashboards, and data. Monitoring and troubleshooting. Ensuring the smooth functioning of a Pentaho deployment requires monitoring and troubleshooting skills. Participants will explore monitoring tools and techniques to identify and resolve performance or technical issues. Advanced Pentaho features. Custom scripting and extensions. This module will introduce participants to the concept of custom scripting and extensions in Pentaho. They'll learn how to extend Pentaho's functionality using custom code, plugins, and extensions. Embedding Pentaho in applications. Participants will discover how to embed Pentaho components, such as reports and dashboards, into external applications, providing seamless data visualization and analytics capabilities to end users. Integration with other buy tools. Many organizations use a mix of buy tools. Participants will learn about integrating Pentaho with other popular buy tools to create a cohesive analytics environment. Future trends in Pentaho and business intelligence. Emerging technologies and innovations. This module will explore the latest trends and innovations in the Pentaho ecosystem and the broader business intelligence domain. Participants will get insights into the future direction of Pentaho and buy as a whole. Staying updated in the Pentaho ecosystem. Participants will learn about resources to stay updated on Pentaho's latest releases, community contributions, and best practices. They'll discover forums, blogs, and events to foster ongoing learning. Final project and certification. Completing a comprehensive Pentaho project. In the final stage, participants will undertake a comprehensive Pentaho project that encompasses data integration, analytics, and reporting. They'll apply all the skills and knowledge acquired throughout the training program. Examining knowledge and skills. Participants' performance in the final project and assessments will be evaluated to gauge their understanding of Pentaho concepts and practical application. Obtaining the Pentaho Certified Specialist certification. Successful completion of the training program and the final project will qualify participants for the Pentaho Certified Specialist certification, validating their expertise in using Pentaho for business intelligence and data integration. The Unlocking the Power of Pentaho comprehensive online training program offers a well-structured and immersive learning experience that equips participants with the necessary skills and knowledge to leverage the full potential of Pentaho in solving real-world data challenges. Throughout the program, participants will gain hands-on experience, work on practical projects, and have the support of experienced instructors and mentors, ensuring a successful learning journey in the world of Pentaho and business intelligence. Why choose Proexcellency for Pentaho Online Training? Proexcellency is a great choice for Pentaho Online Training because they offer a variety of benefits, including expert instructors. Proexcellency's instructors are all experts in Pentaho, with years of experience in the field. They are passionate about teaching, and they are committed to helping you learn the material and succeed in your career. Flexible learning. Proexcellency's Pentaho Online Training is self-paced, so you can learn at your own pace and on your own time. This makes it a great option for busy professionals who want to learn Pentaho without having to disrupt their work or personal lives. Interactive learning. Proexcellency's Pentaho Online Training is interactive, so you can participate in activities and exercises that will help you learn the material and apply it to real-world scenarios. This makes the learning process more engaging and effective. Accredited training. Proexcellency's Pentaho Online Training is accredited by Pentaho, so you can be confident that you are learning the latest and most up-to-date information. This will give you a competitive edge in the job market. Affordable pricing. Proexcellency's Pentaho Online Training is competitively priced, so you can get the quality training you need without breaking the bank. Contact us to get more information. +9 18722079509 vertical bar +9 190089068809 www.proexcellency.com. Thank you for watching.